play with slime. So we have orange, cherry, grape, and lemon. Lime. I really like to play with slime. My favorite one is grape. Really feel good, soft, and neat. So this is slime. Do you see this? I'm gonna move these and then let's open it later. Ooh. Ooh. Look, it's so fun, right? Do you guys want to open up something else? Can someone open this anyways? So we open this. Don't come out, Mama. Can you open this? See what happens. So let's try cherry now. Let's smell this one. It smells bad. Smell it. It's not cherry. It's not great. Did this came from a coffee shop, do you think? No, it's not a coffee, but it looks like it, right? You might want to eat it, but don't eat it. It's slime. If you eat it, you might die. Oh, it's stuck. So, I told you I was gonna play with these slimes, right? First, let's play with this one and this one. Oh, it's stuck. I should have did this. Okay, whatever. Ooh, so soft. And I also have this. I'm gonna try and roll this and move these. Ooh, it got pretty. Nice. See this? Ooh, I'm gonna put this on my hand here. Done, and this. Ooh, good. Even do. Ooh, oh, look, it's stuck. You know, that's really fun. Start squishing it. Oh my gosh, it's really hot. I'm gonna make some cookies for you guys. So do you see how I'm getting smaller? Because I broke them apart. Look. I will see you next time. Bye.